Hi, I'm John Nixon from Eagle Lake Woodworking, and I wanted to show you my method for making circles on the router table. Here's a view from up above the router table. What I have is a rulered stick that fits in the miter gauge that has a pivot point for the circle. An Allen screw on the end that tightens up a bushing to spread apart that end even further to lock it in place. So the location of this pivot pin determines the distance from the router bit and will be the desired radius of the circle. I've designed this ruler gauge with marks every quarter of an inch, well, numbers every quarter of an inch, that represent where the pivot should be to form that radius. Here's a view at the very end of my miter slot. The number 5.812 is 5 13/16, which is the minimum circle radius that I can cut with this setup. So as the ruler gauge slides out, I can find the desired radius, let's call it 10 inches, and that will position the pin at the appropriate spot to cut the circle. For this example, I'm going to cut a board with a radius of 6 1/4 inches. So I've slid the ruler slide out to the edge of the miter gauge and lined up 6 1/4 inches. The next thing to do is to prep the board. I need to locate the center of this board, and the easiest way to do that is to make intersecting lines from corner to corner that will define the center. Next, I'm going to drill a small pilot hole to accept the pin. And I'm going to get down there and sight the pin, center it on the pilot hole, and give it a couple of taps to seat it. So as you can see, the board's ready to pivot into the blade and cut the circle. If you have a router table that's equipped with an enclosed lower portion and dust collection, this method is very clean, dust-free, and quick. Let's cut the circle. Perfect 12.5-inch circle, clean cut, and basically dust free.